Bonjour, je m'appelle Waka Waka Doctor. I like to always share information about cheap and affordable travel, amongst other things, but I feel like everyone should be able to travel. And that's why I've brought France to you, because in France, you can move to France for 243 euros. And I'll show you the proof. So stick around, because this video is for you.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Did you know you can change the audio language on this video? Just look for the settings icon, click on it, select audio track, and choose the language you prefer. Enjoy the video in the language that works best for you.
Hello folks, this is your one and only Waka Waka Doctor. Always bring you the best gist when it comes to travel and migration. You know how we do it on this channel? All we do is share information that has to do with traveling, living, working, and thriving abroad. If abroad life is your thing, then this is where you want to be. You've heard me speaking French, yes, so you must know that this video is about moving to France. All right, like I always say in all of my videos, two quick things I'd like to pass across. Number one is that I'm not on Telegram and I'm not on WhatsApp. So if you do find anybody in the comment section saying you should send them a message on Telegram or WhatsApp, it is not me. The only way to reach out to me is in the description box of this video, or you can send an email to admin@wakawakadoctor.com. Look at it here, admin@wakawakadoctor.com. Follow the instructions and you would get all you need to do. France. Last year, I made this video about moving to France, and there were several applications that went through, but France showed people shiggy. Like, it was easy to get admission. Some people did get admission, some people didn't. But the problem with France was getting visas. There were a lot of refusals. I'm hoping that this year will be different, and that's why I want to share the information again, because you've got nothing to lose, really, and the tuition is affordable. So with France allows you to study with higher national diploma. France doesn't require IELTS. You can work while you study. But the issue with family is that you cannot move immediately with family. So if you're married or you've got kids, they're only going to be able to join you between 6 to 12 months after the main applicant has landed in France. But what's particularly interesting is that tuition is about 243 euros. It's even cheaper than Austria. Consider countries like the UK, Canada, Australia, where you have to pay tuition of about £11,000, $14,000, $20,000 US. You only have to pay 243 euros. And I will show you proof. So in this video, we're going to be discussing the documents you need and the two main pathways, or the two main methods for which you can apply to France. All right. So like I always say, this covers bachelor applications, master applications, and of course, PhD applications as well. You need to have important documents, like you need to have your transcript, you need to have your WAEC. WAEC is your secondary school certificate. So you need to have the secondary school certificate and secondary school transcript. You need to have 2 letters of recommendations. You need to have an academic CV, and you need to have a good statement of purpose. Okay? So those are the documents you must have. So quickly, before I tell you the gist of the day, I want you to share this video. Make sure you like, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you just share to as many friends as possible. I also want to tell you that there is a masterclass that I created just for you. A masterclass that you can buy that is very affordable, that will give you opportunities. You're in tech, you're looking for scholarships, you're looking for how to apply to jobs, you're an engineer, you're a teacher, you're a lawyer, you're in healthcare, you're in tech, you're looking to move to the United States for free. I got everything covered. You've applied for jobs, but they're not calling you. This masterclass has everything all. And I've created a special link in the description box of this video for you to be able to get that masterclass, okay? So go to the link and get the masterclass. For France, there are 2 methods. Number one is you can apply through Campus France. If you belong to a country where Campus France is located, that is the best way to do it. You can apply online through Campus France, or you can even go directly to their offices. For instance, in Nigeria, I know that you've got Campus France in Abuja and you've got Campus France in Lagos. So it's better to even go to their office and talk to them or submit your application, and they will do everything from start to finish. The second method is to go directly to the school website and apply by yourself, which is what I'm also going to show you. So these two methods, you can try any one of them and see what sticks. Again, there are many universities in France that you can apply to. For instance, Université de Sorbonne is one, which is very affordable. Paris Saclay University is another, and almost every city in France has, a university. But do not worry, in the description box of this video, I'm going to write out the names of the universities. So all you need to do really is Google these universities and you'll be able to see the admission portal and apply. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to use one example so that you know what to do. So if you're applying to a program in France, if you're, let's assume you're living in Ghana or South Africa or Nigeria, for instance, you need to submit a request, okay, for enrollment. You need to apply through Campus France. This is the first method. So they call it the official Études en France platform. Étudiant, is student. So étudiant, l'école, is student. So you use the official Études en France. Études is ETUDES, en France, EN, then France platform, which is managed by Campus France. Now, the process usually involves creating an account. You submit your educational and personal details. Then you get your application validated by them, okay, the Campus France body by themselves. After you pay the fee, and you also have to do what is called a preliminary visa interview. After the visa interview, they submit your application for you to the VFS center, and then you get your visa, okay, processed, and then hopefully you'll be able to get a visa. So step one, you need to find your program. Know what you want to go and study, okay? Know what you want to go and study. Go to the Campus France website. It's going to open this way. And you can check through that website to find your master's, whether it's in English, whether it's in French. Find your course on the Campus France website. You check the eligibility as well on that website. I'm going to put the link in the description box so that you know what to do. You prepare your applications like we've said. You need to have a CV, letter of recommendation, a statement of purpose, a copy of your passport, proof of English. If you don't have IELTS, get a letter from your university to say that you studied in English, and you can use that as well. Then, of course, your transcripts are important. Like I said, I already told you how to create an account using the Campus France website, fill in your information, and submit your file on the website. The next thing is to pay the fee. You book an appointment and you apply for your visa. It's that easy, straight away. It's that easy. Now, if you don't want to do this, okay, now this is just a straightforward method. I don't want to waste your time. You can do it by yourself. Spend 5-10 minutes, go to the website, go to the Campus France website and do it by yourself. Guys, why is it that you do not subscribe to my YouTube channel? Why? I'm providing information to help you move abroad, yet I find that so many people watch my videos, but they don't subscribe to it. Yes, when I check my analytics, I see that a lot of people use my videos, but they don't subscribe. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you drop comments so that I can interact with you and I can answer your questions. Okay, what should I do? What do you want me to do before you? Should I kneel down? Should I beg you? Should I roll on the floor? I can do it easily. All right? I'm just trying to help more people. So please just subscribe to my videos, okay? Share them. Let's help more people move abroad. Thank you. Now, the second method is to go to, let's use a school, for instance. Let's go to Université Paris Saclay. So if you go on Google and just type Université, that's University, UNIVERSITE, okay? Hyphen Paris Saclay, SACLAY.fr. It opens this beautiful website where you can see admissions, education, research, collaboration, campus life, and about. Again, I'm going to give you the link so that you can see all what I'm showing you, all right? And you can click on it directly. But first thing I want to show you is the tuition fee, okay? So what I'm going to do right here is to show you close view, give you a close view look. Now, take a look at this, okay? Now you can see this is the university website, and you can see right here, differentiated tuition fees for non-EU students. So we're going to click directly on this so that we just see what the tuition looks like for non-EU students. And you can see tuition fee. Okay, you can see tuition fee. All right, scroll down, and you can see for 2025-2026, tuition for national degree, okay, look at it, bachelor level, 178 euros, masters, 254, okay, and then for doctoral, 397, okay, so that's the tuition fee for Paris Saclay University. All right, and you can find it right here on the website. So this information is correct. All right, this information is correct. And if you want to apply for admissions, you simply just go to the admissions tab and you see applying for undergraduate, applying for masters, applying for PhD, international students, tuition fees, scholarship, and financial support. So click on applying for master's program. Once you click on master's program, it opens this beautiful page again, and you can see it there. You can choose your course. You can apply for master's degree. It's right there. Okay, everything is right there for you. They even give you application advice, and you can see questions as well. So this is not rocket science. If you click on applying for a master's degree, after you must have chosen the course you want, click on applying for a master's degree, and it opens up another beautiful page where you see the application procedure. On the application procedure, you will see where it says, I want to apply for first year master's degree. I want to apply for second year of a master's degree. You can click on any one, and it tells you everything you need to do. You are living in a country that is under the Etude en France. They will tell you step 1, inception, step 2, and you have all the actions you need to take. So like I said, I'm not going to waste your time, okay? I'm not going to waste your time giving you so much or a load of information. You just need to do the work, okay? I've directed you now. I've given you the steps to take. I've shown you the website to use. I've given you the links. I've given you the names of the universities in the description box of this video. The rest is up to you. I hope that this video helps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people. And hopefully it points you towards the right direction to take for France. Let's see you again in another episode. It's Waka Waka Doctor signing off.